Alright, what we got here is a little test of the Speed Charger SC600A on whether or not it appears to do desulphation mode. What you're seeing here is my multimeter. It's showing 3.2 volts coming off of this Pig Perigo battery that is apparently dead. I found it tonight at the junk salvage. You can't read that little label there, but it actually says Shenzhen Liak batteries. So apparently some Pig Perigo batteries are made by Liak or Lioch or however you say that nice Chinese word. So what we got here is an old SC600A that I've had for 4 or 5 years. That's what we got there. Here's the charger. Gonna plug it in. Shows charging right now. Check our voltage coming off of the battery. And right now it's still just showing the 3 volts. This charger is just trying to figure out, is there anything on it? And now we've got the flashing light, which if you look at the back of this, it says to check the battery. But when we come over here, it shows 16.91 volts. So I've never left this on long enough to find out if this is actually trying to do a desulphation mode or not. Pretty interesting that it does that though. So we'll disconnect it. And one of the interesting things is once it's in this mode, it continues to flash even though connectors aren't hooked to anything. The one that I bought a couple weeks ago. We're gonna connect it up, plug it in. It shows connected. Immediately goes to the flashing. Check our voltage. 16.45. Disconnect it. Shows the same thing. It's still in that same mode. Over here we've got a good Liak or Lioch battery. Gonna connect up to it. And it still doesn't realize that it's connected up to a good battery. It continues doing the flashing pulses. Alright, I'm gonna unplug it so it'll reset. Okay, it's reset now. Plug it back in. It's connected. It's automatically showing it's charging now. And we go back for our voltage check. 13.7 volts, which is what they normally show. So something is definitely going on with these chargers when they sense a dead battery and they go into that flashing mode. On the first charging, on the old one, instead of saying connected at the bottom, it says check. And okay, what I got here is a battery I know is dead. I mean, you can hear stuff rattling in it. So we're gonna connect the old charger up to it, and it goes right to check. You can't read that, but that actually says checked, whereas the new ones say connected. Alright, new charger, plugging it into the dead battery. And the problem it has is it never even shows connected.